Alright, hi and welcome to this episode. On the previous episode, we were able to add our vegetation paint and also our vegetation scatter. If you could remember, we were able to export image. So what we will be doing in this particular episode is to demonstrate how to go about your walkthrough. Okay. To do that, all you need to do is to come to this place here that shows this symbol of this is media. So if you come to your media, you can see we have panorama, we have image, we have video. Now if I click on video, all I need to do is to click on add. Now if I click on add, you can see at the top here this says part 1. I can rename this, I can cut, I can copy, I can paste, I can as well even delete. Okay, so as it is, if I try to play this video, you see this is what I'm going to have. Now this is for 10 seconds, right? So I can reduce the time to let's say 3 seconds, right? And I can just move I will take another one. For this one, let me delete this. So I will add this. So let's see. So I'm going to have another one at this point. I can create another one. So mind you, I can as well even use I can as well use a picture. You can see this is a picture. So if I take this now, let's try to play this from here and see what we have. So you can see this is actually a picture. So I can change it to let's say 3 seconds as well, right? So if we try to play this video from the beginning here, and let's see what we have. So let's say we want to walk through into this building. So we can actually create a video. So let's see what we have. Okay, I think I didn't capture that. So it's malfunctioning a bit. I don't know. So let's see what we have. So if you don't have a very good system, you will not be able to achieve anything very good with it. So let's come from here and see what we have. Okay, so this is basically what we have. Mind you, you can play around with the timing. If it's too fast, you can reduce the speed by changing the time. Okay, you can see it takes 3 seconds for this first one here to move to the next one, right? All right, so this is basically how to come about your walkthrough in your Twinmotion software. All right, if you, after creating your walkthrough, all you need to do is to come to your export. Once you click on export, once you click on empty here, now it allows you to select. You can see this is the previous video we just created. Once I select this now, I can then click on start export. Once I click on start export, it will export the video just like you did for the image. Is similar, it's just the same thing. And then you just go to the directory where you send the file to be able to view your file there. Okay, so similarly, just like video, you can also create a panorama. Okay, if I click on create panel, you can see this is the first one that was created. All right, so I'm going to see you on the next episode.